Hello everyone, in this series of videos we are going to learn Python. So let's start. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python is used to create web applications, develop and test softwares, or perform complex mathematical operations. Because it can perform complex mathematical operations, it is widely used programming language in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data mining. Python is platform independent, which means it can work on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has simple syntax like English language. Python is an object-oriented programming language. So there are two versions of Python available now. One is Python 2 and the other is Python 3. As we know that Python is easy to learn than other programming languages like C++ and Java. So let's write a code to print hello world on the screen using these popular languages. So as you can see, in Python you can do this in just one line. Thank you for watching. In next video we will see what are the tools we need to run a Python code, and also we will run our first Python code. So stay tuned.